Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my graphic 45 folio that I created this past week, and I tell you, this is my second folio ever. Some of you have seen my very first folio that I released last week, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and hook you up right there at that portion of the screen, and also in the description area below so that you can see my folio. And that other one was a folio mini album. Now, I tell you, these are so super easy to make, and if I can do this, so can you. And I have recorded my entire process and turned it into a tutorial. It is a 4-series tutorial, and don't worry, you're not going to have to wait months before in between videos, I mean. And so all the videos have been uploaded. There are a total of 4 videos together, altogether, and I'm going to be releasing each video per evening. So you're going to get a video Monday evening, another one Tuesday evening, then Wednesday, and then Thursday. Okay, and so yeah, I will go ahead and also link you to some of the items that I used in the making of this folio in the description area below. Now, I do have to let y'all know, because my other folio was kind of like a folio mini album type of thing. I didn't want to do the same exact thing with this one. And you know how sometimes when you are doing a project, how a project can actually evolve from one thing to another? Well, that is exactly what happened on here. So, without further ado, oh, let me show you what the back looks like and the sides and so forth. This is what the back looks like, and I like to keep my the back of my folios plain and simple, simply because I'm really not gonna look much at them. And so let me fix my little thingy right over there. Okay. So okay, I guess let me go ahead and go over the front real quick. I mean, I used some trim for my stash and some flat back pearls, and for the closure I used a one of the chipboard pieces from Graphic 45, and this is not from this collection. This is from a different collection, and I will go ahead and link you to it in the description area below. And here are some flowers that I created. These are not like my other flowers that I released yesterday. See, these are the flowers that I'm gonna go with going forward, because these are so beautiful and they are so simple to make. And over here for these ones, I did use a die for these. These are those that roll along like so, and then you kind of have to roll them and glue them a certain way. These flowers were the ones that I was having a little bit of trouble with, and I did show you in my last video one that came out so wonky. I am going to take these off because I really don't like the way this came out. It just didn't roll right. And so yeah, going forward, I will be using my Graphic 45 dies to make flowers, because these are so awesome. And so these right here are actually by Graphic 45. Graphic 45 has come out with their own set of flowers. They used to have just this color, but now they have a wide array of colors, and I'll go ahead and link you to those in the description area below as well. And this paper right here is from the Fairy Dust collection, and I just love it. We are going to go ahead and open up the mini album, and it's not a mini album. I keep thinking mini album, but let me show you what I did, and I love, love, love this idea, and I hope that you do too. Ta-da! This folio was actually, it started as a mini album. Those of you who saw my first video saw how I did the waterfall, and so I decided to do a second waterfall right along here. And for this part, I was like, you know what? I don't want to do the same exact thing over again. Let me try something different. And then I was using my papers to make cards. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to turn this into some sort of secretary, assistant type of thing. And I decided to turn this into a card making folio. And I turned these 4 ephemera cards from the collection into just greeting cards. And there's really not much that I did with these because the papers are so beautiful. Look, the paper actually does all the work for you, and that's what I love. I have these 4 dimensional cards that I made, and I made a pocket of sorts, okay, kind of like a box pocket to house the cards. So I have my cards here, and over here I decided to add a memo pad. This is just a simple memo pad that it was thicker than this, and I did have to take some of the pages out to make it fit here. And over here I have a smaller pocket with more greeting cards. These are just note cards that I made, and simple. I kept it simple. See, I did absolutely no embellishing here because it didn't need to. I don't think it needed at all. And so these are housed right along here in this pocket. And over here I have a waterfall, and I did this just like the other waterfall in my other folio mini album. And this waterfall could be to like put sticky notes or whatever on them. And so same thing here, this flap is just the one that holds it together. And same thing here, just a waterfall, as you can see. And I put family here and memories over here, just something fun to do. And of course I do have a Velcro closure. And so there it is. This is my folio, and I hope that you enjoy the tutorial series that's coming up next week. And yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see y'all once again real soon. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Don't forget to hit those thumbs up and leave me a nice comment and share my videos. I really do appreciate all of you new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. And I appreciate my older subscribers and friends for sticking by me and enjoying this paper crafting journey with me. Bye.